Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. In today's video we are going to learn how to build a login page just like this on Flutterflow. First of all, we will create a new page. We will take a blank page like this and name it login page tests. Let's go. First of all, we're going to watch our database. What do we need actually to get a user logged in or signed in? Here is my users collection. So I just put a name, age, avatar, and email address. You have to care about the data type. Here are the data types of a basic user collection. You can take components here, but we will start with simple widgets to build our page. So we're adding a container. It will fill our app with an image. In my case, my image will be a blur image to present the app to my user. I'm going to take an asset, upload image like this. So we're going to put the Y to 100. We will click on this toggle to put the safe area out. What we are going to do right now is to add a column and also multiple rows. In this row, we are going to add a container to contain our input information. So we are going to take 50, like maybe 40. We are going to put right down the columns like this. I forgot it, sorry. Now what I will do is to add here my logo. What I am going to do is to add an image. I'm going to put it right here. And I'm just going to take an asset. So in this case, I'm going to take my logo. I'm adding a padding like this, and now I will start to add my input information. What I am gonna do now, I will play with the database I just introduced like a few minutes ago. But before, don't forget to put a like and to subscribe to Nest channel, please. Now in my container, I'm going to add a column and then a bunch of rows. In my case, I'm building the login page, so I'm just adding the email inputs, also the password inputs. First of all, paddings of 20 and a top of 16. I'm going to add a text field. Now I'm adding a fill color, so I can add a border color. I'm going to put it like the background color right here. I didn't expect this, but my background color is actually not completely white. I'm going to add a padding of content of 16, 24 and 24 to get a nice space dedicated for my input. Don't forget to add the keyboard type of email address, and here enter email. Don't forget to do completely outlined. So now we got a nice input, and now I can just copy and paste my row. So and it's that easy. Yes, it is that easy. Now we are doing the second input. I added a row here just to add a text for my user. So here we are going to add the enter password widget, and with this I'm going to add the password field. It will add a little eye here to see what you're entering into the input. It's very useful. And okay, we're finished with our inputs. Like I said just before, I'm adding now a text just here. Just say welcome to my user. I'm now finished with my inputs. what I'm going to do here is to add a login button, a forget password button, and also a create account button to navigate to my sign in page. If you want to add something quickly, you can just type Control plus F. It will find your church widget, so I'm going to add a button. I'm sorry, but I forgot to add the password field. We are going to name this password. And here we got this is a string. What I want to do right now is to connect the two inputs, the email inputs and the password input, to the login button, so that Flutterflow might understand that those are inputs dedicated to my profile. Add an action. On the tab of this action, I'm going to go to login, the vacation, login, and the provider. The email field is email address. The password field is enter password. And it's that easy! What I want to add right now is a forgot password button, but also a create account, because users that are arriving on this page, I'm gonna add a text. With this text, I have to edit it. I will change it to forgot password. So I'm going to grab this text into this row and split the row like this. Here I have to add a divider to get a better structure. I have to add a color. I got a thickness of 2 pixels. You need to add an indent and an end indent of 20. Maybe a lighter color. Don't forget to add a padding of 16. And here I'm just taking another text and grab it inside my row. This row will be used for my sign in button. We got our login page complete. Now what I'm doing is to duplicate my login page. This is gonna be our create account page. So I'm gonna add the email address, the password, and the confirm password input. This input will be my confirm password input, and you're gonna see we are changing some options of this input. I need more space for my container here, so I'm gonna change it. This button will become my create button, and here I will log in like I just did. So like I said just before, my button got different options than the login button, so I need to change my actions. In place of login option, I'm going to get the create account. So email is gonna be my enter email address, like the other page. Confirm password, and my password field will be my enter password, and finally my confirm password will be my confirm password inputs. Okay, we are clear. We finished with our create accounts. So now that I'm finished with my create page, I'm gonna link all the pages with my action buttons. My login button right here is going to access, to my login page. Navigation to login page tests. I'm gonna take a slide right transition of 300 milliseconds. And now what I'm gonna do from my login page, I'm gonna link this create account button just like my create account page Thank you for watching. I hope I helped you. Don't forget to subscribe to Nast's channel and see you for the next time.